3 machines, 3 very different price tags. Kraken, 2 big NVIDIA cards running a 32 billion parameter model. Box, a modest AMD workstation running a 3B model, and a Raspberry Pi with no model at all, just sensors. To Krill, they're all the same thing, servers on one swarm. The job? Watch the chicken coop. The trick? The little model reads every frame, and the big one only wakes when something is actually wrong. Start on the Pi, the Coop camera, a data point holding the latest frame. Right now, 6 hens, door open, nothing at the fence. The door sensor, open. And the run temperature, 87 degrees. Now the Sentry, over on box, an LLM node pointed at a 3B model running right there on that machine. Watch the arcs. Its sources live on a different computer. The camera, the door, the temperature, wired in across the network. When any of them changes, this node is invoked. Open it up. And here's the whole idea on one screen. The prompt is fixed. The context isn't. Every node wired into its inputs gets serialized into the call at the instant it fires. The frame, the door, the temperature, live. Same node, a different question every single time. That's what separates an LLM node from a chatbot with a script. Over on Kraken, a data point catches the Sentry's verdict as it comes across the wire. It observes the model on the other machine. Then a gate. 5 lines of Python. It reads the verdict and turns a sentence into a signal. 1 if the Sentry raised a flag, 0 if it didn't. Watching the verdict. A data point holds the bar. And a threshold trigger watches the gate against it. Below the bar, nothing happens at all. One more source on Kraken, the weather. Clear, 87, sunset at 8:31. And the analyst, the 32B model on the big GPUs. It observes the threshold, not the camera. 99 frames out of 100, this machine never stirs. When it does fire, it gets more than the Sentry had. The verdict, the frame, the door, and the weather, all read live across 2 machines at the moment it wakes. Last node, the alert. It watches the analyst, and it's what a notification or the door relay would hang off. Pull back and there's the shape of it. A Pi feeding a small model gating a big one across 3 physical machines. No controller, no scheduler, nobody calling anybody in order. Every hop is a node observing another node, even over the network. Turn it on. Every node starts watching the ones it was told to watch, even the ones on other machines. Run it. A fresh frame lands from the Coop, and the Sentry fires over on box. Normal. 6 hens, door open, nothing unusual. And here's the part that matters. Kraken didn't even stir. The little model handles the boring frames, which is almost all of them. That's why the tiers exist. Now this frame. The Sentry flags it, and that verdict crosses the network, clears the bar, and wakes the big machine. Kraken's analyst runs with everything read in at fire time. The flag, the frame, the door, the weather, sunset 19 minutes out. And notice what it never got, the picture. It's reasoning over the facts. Open the alert. And there it is, in the model's own words. What's happening, whether the birds are at risk, and one concrete thing to do about it. That isn't motion detection. That's a 32 billion parameter model, reasoning about a prompt that didn't exist until the moment it fired. It was right, by the way. That's Loki. The hens have seen scarier. And the night the camera catches one of these instead, the verdict reads a little different, and the door is shut before he's passed the fence. Same wiring, different context. 3 servers, 2 models, 1 Pi, and not a byte leaving the property. Context built from live data at firetime. Big hardware gated behind small. Everything invoked, nothing scheduled. That's local LLM nodes on the swarm.